Hello students, now we'll go for next exercise which is on page number 133 of Ganita Prakash grade 6 perimeter and area. We have seen the earlier rules of transposing rules, right? We know how to find out perimeter of rectangle and the perimeter of square or regular polygons. Now here in this figure is given where two person, that is Akshi and Toshi, they are running around and we have to find a particular distance based on the given question. So before we go further, let us understand here this total length is given 70 meter, right? And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 parts are there. That means the distance between this is 10. Is that clear? Same way, the inner side length is 60 and how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means distance between this is again 10. Right? So that way it will be easy to calculate based on the given question. That means between any two dots, whether it is inner or outer, measurement is 10 meter. So let us go for first. Find out the total distance Akshi has covered in 5 rounds. Right? So for the Akshi, the starting point is this one, and for Toshi, the starting point is. So for Akshi, she is taking round outside of the rectangle, and for Toshi is inside. So distance covered in 5 rounds. So distance covered by Akshi in 5 rounds. So as there are 5 rounds, so 5 into perimeter of track, which is shape of rectangle. So 5 perimeter of rectangular, this is 2 in a bracket L plus B. We can multiply this, 5 to the 10. What is the length over here? 70 and breadth is 40. Now according to board mass, we supposed to multiply this first bracket, we have to solve that first. So 10 into 7 plus 4, 11, 110. So we have 1100 and unit will be what here? Meter. Is that clear? So 5 to the 10 here, then we'll add L plus B, that is 110 into 10, so we'll add 10, right? So 1100 meter, that is the total distance covered by Akshi. The second is total distance covered in 7 rounds, right? And who ran longer distance? So again we'll find the distance covered by Toshi in 7 rounds. In 7 rounds. So 7, and she is taking round around a rectangular track. That means perimeter we supposed to consider. So perimeter of track. So for Toshi, dimensions what we need to consider? 60 into 30, right? So 2 in a bracket L plus B. So can we multiply this? 7 2s are 14. What is the length? That is 60 and breadth is 30. So bracket will solve first. 60 plus 30, 90. So how much we are getting? 90 into 7. 14. So that is 1260. 14 nines are 126 and 10 we can add, and unit is meter. Is that clear? Or you can do first find out the perimeter and then multiply by 7. Then before Akshi also, first find out the perimeter and multiply by 5. That will be the same. Now, who ran longer distance? So here it is 1100 and here is 1260. So that means Toshi ran longer distance. I hope this is clear. Here we are considering perimeter as child is running around a track, right? So it is, we need to consider perimeter, not the area. Okay, now we'll go for question 3. So now here we that much understand that for Akshi, in one round, in one round, how much distance covered? This is 110 into 2, that is 220 meter, right? And by Toshi, distance covered in one round is 90 and into 2, that is 180 meter. This is for one round, and if you multiply by 5, you will get this much. Is that clear? So, for Akshi, when he completed one round, he covered 220 meter, and for Toshi, when it completes one round here, surrounding, he covers 180 meter. So, it is asked, mark A at the point where Akshi will be after rent 250. Now see, 250, how will get 250? So let me erase this part over here so I can explain it. See here, as I said, when Akshi takes one round, she covered 220 meter, and for Toshi, for after completion one round, 180 meter, right? So for Akshi, how much distance covered? 250. So one round means 220. How much we supposed to add to get 250? 30. So 250, right? Now as I told you, the distance between two dots is 10 meter. So one round when complete, he comes over here in the beginning. Now what direction is given? In this direction. Can you see this arrow? So now we have to add 30. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So that means this is my P. This is my P. Is that clear? So this is your P. When one round taken, right? In this direction, one round. That is 220 for Akshi. Now it is asked for the 250. So we'll add 30. So 10, 20 and 30. So it comes over here, that will mark A. Right? Now for B. Mark B ran after 500, right? Again for the Akshi only 500 meter. So 220 into, if you are doing 4, 4 to the 8, that becomes a bigger number. So let us take a smaller number. So into 2, if you are doing, so 440. How much we supposed to add? 60 in that, right? So to get 500. So that comes 500. So that means Akshi will take two rounds, 1 and 2. That means this point. And then first we'll add 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that means this point is B. Is that clear? Once again, How much distance she covered? 500 meter. For one round, 220. So if we are calculating by trial and error, so into 2, that means total 2 rounds, so 440 meter. But it is asked for the 500, so that means we need to add 60 to get 500. So that means we'll add in 2 rounds, we'll add 60. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 60, right? This is in between this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So that way we are getting point B. Now again for Akshi, right? How much? 1000 meter. So if you are going for 1000, so if I am taking by trial and error, let's say by 4. So what I'm getting? 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 880. So how much I need to add? 120, right? Or what you can do? 220 into 5. That is how much we are getting that? 0, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11. So we want what? 1000. So we can do minus 100 to get the 1000. So we have two options. Either you go for this or this one. Either we can do. This will be more preferable, right? That means she will take total 5 rounds and then will subtract 100 to get the point C. Obviously, the 5 rounds will be here completed. Now we have to minus. So we'll go in a reverse direction. 10, 100, total 100. So from here to here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So that means this point is our C point. Am I clear? Once again, we want total 1000 meter. For one round is 220 meter, right? If you are doing 4, then we have to add 120 in that. And if you are going 220 into 5, then it is 1100. So we'll subtract 100 to get 1000. So I'm going for this. So 5 rounds obviously will complete over here. And then we have to subtract. So we'll go in a reverse direction, right? So from here to here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So that means this is the C point. Is that clear? Now let us go for D, E and F, that is for Toshi. So I will erase this part. You can rewind video and you can see again, right? That will be easy for you. So here what you need to take care, that distance between 2 points is 10 meter. And how to find out, that I showed you, right? As a length is given 70 and there are total 10 parts. That means 7 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 70 divided by 7, that means 10. Same being here also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 60 divided by 6, that means 10 meter. 10 unit, whatever the unit given. I hope that is clear. Now let us go for D. So mark X at the point where Toshi will be after 250 meter. Now here we are discussing for Toshi and 250 meter. See, for Toshi in a one round she covers 180. Yes or no? 180. So one round 180. So how much we supposed to add to get 250? So 70, 8 plus 7, 5 and 250. That means after one round we have to add 70. So this is one round will get over here. Again direction in this. So from here we'll add 70. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So this is the R X point. Is that clear? So 250, right? Meter. So in a one round, 180. So how much is supposed to add to get to 50? That is 70. So that means from here, after one round, so this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. So this point is X. Then 500 meter. It is asked for the 500 meter. So let us do this 180 into 3, right? 540. But it is asked for the 500. So that means we'll do minus 40, right? So we'll get 500. So that means we'll do minus back. How many rounds for Toshi? 3 rounds. Obviously, it will be coming here and minus 40. So we'll go reverse reaction. So this is 10, 20, 30 and 40. That means this is the RY. This is RY. Once again, Toshi has covered 500 meter. So how will get 500 meter? Let us do trial and error. So 180 into 3. That is 540. We want 500. So we'll subtract. For the subtraction, we'll do in a reverse direction. Minus. So here it is 3 rounds. If we will go in this direction, same direction, that means plus. So we'll go opposite direction to do minus 40. So 10, 20, 30 and 40. That is the y. Now for f. Again for the Toshi, 1000 meter. Right? How many meters? 1000 meter. So if we do 18,090, right? So that means 900 meter. So can we add 100 into that to get the 1000? Yes or no? So it becomes 1000 meter. So 5 rounds obviously will complete here. We are doing plus. Plus that means we'll move in the same direction. Right? So 100 will add. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So that means this is the Z. Once again, Toshi covers in one round 180 meter. We know tables 18,090. That means 900 meter in a 5 rounds. But it is asked for the 1000. So that means we'll add 100 meter. So to add 100 meter, we'll move in a same direction in which they are running. And we know that distance between 2 points is 10 meter. So this is 900, right? And we'll keep adding 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. That means this is my Z. I hope this is clear. It is very easy if you understand question, what we need to find with the perimeter or area, right? We know that surrounding of the boundary, that means always perimeter. It's quite easy and you will enjoy maths definitely. So keep practicing, keep watching, right? And you will be more and more confident. God bless everyone.